Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and then take the first actionable steps. Make sure your phone has signal and battery above 20% and that the SIM is seated. Next, open the emergency dialer and enter the local emergency number. Do not hesitate. Keep ID and a clear location ready to read aloud. Once connected, switch to speaker or a headset so you can use both hands and state the emergency in one clear sentence to start the response. You continue by managing the middle, more complex steps of the call. Listen carefully and answer the who, what, where, and condition questions. This lets responders prioritize resources. If the operator gives instructions, perform first aid steps, move to safety, or unlock a door, follow them exactly because they guide you through unseen risks. Keep your replies short and precise, and repeat the location or condition when asked so responders receive consistent, usable information. You finish by confirming arrival details and wrapping up the call cleanly. Ask for an estimated time of arrival and any specific entry or landmark notes. Write down names and reference numbers. If advised, stay on the line until responders arrive to provide updates. If the call is disconnected, call back the same emergency number immediately and, if available, send a brief emergency text or use an alternative channel to relay your last known location. This redundancy resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.